They are scared the Boeing 737 making an emergency landing after flames were seen shooting from one of the engines.
An Australia flight landed safely in Invercargill last night after a fire was spotted coming from an engine.
Almost 70 passengers are stranded in New Zealand this morning after flames began spurting from the engine of their flight.
Engine flight forced to make an emergency landing in New Zealand after its engine caught fire.